Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh. Now they have the 1999 constitution. They say they know nothing about any Paksh Pramukh. So much as they know that the 1999 constitution had no Paksh Pramukh. So it's in 2026 that they realized. Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Uddhav Thackeray, Manoj Joshi, Sudhir Joshi, etc. Well, let's kindly see what is happening here. They don't even look at their own document, which we have supplied to them. In the finding of the Election Commission, he says these are all nominated. The next document they completely deny. They say we haven't received this document. The Chief Justice Chandrachud then in the Constitution bench said, para 15 doesn't even talk about the legislative party. Now it says, whereas at 10, after an association or body has been registered. So we were registered long ago, right at the top of the page. As a political party, as aforesaid, any change in its name, head office, office bearers, address, or any other material particulars which my Lord Justice Bajki mentioned, shall be communicated to the Commission without delay. Now, Maharaj, this relates back to 4. Change in its name, Your Lordship notices. Head office, where the head office is, that is B. Then, Maharaj, office bearers, that is D. And address. So, Maharaj, if there's any change in that, Maharaj, that's all that has to be communicated. We don't know what other particulars are, nor has been specified by the Commission or under the statute. Right, Maharaj? Now, kindly see in that context, Maharaj, what we had communicated to them. Because there's unnecessary controversy on that. And you go back, Maharaj, to the document, which is 20, in the compilation of documents, convenience compilation, PDF 29, page 21.
27th February.
That's correct. That's nominal, because I've read subsection 9 and 4 to your lordships. So, Maharaj, what was my duty? I say on 27th February, your letter of 25th of January. So I'm writing to the Commission pursuant to their own letter. And I say organizational elections of Shiv Sena have been conducted on 23rd of January at Mumbai, and the information regarding the designations and names of the party office bearers sought by your office. Election Commission of India is being enclosed herewith in format for your record. So much as they know, they already know there has been a change, so they say, please tell us. Now kindly see what we, page 26. What is the information we give?
Information is 22. Na?
Information is 22, Maharaj. No, yes, just why are you giving me the wrong? I'm talking about 20, why say 26? Please. 22, Maharaj. Now says, we say designation of delegates who attended and participated in the election process. So they are fully aware that there is an election process going on. And Maharaj, Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh. Now they have the 1999 constitution. They say they know nothing about any Paksh Pramukh. So much as they know that the 1999 constitution had no Paksh Pramukh. So it's in 2026 that they realized. So we tell them Paksh Pramukh, the president, Shiv Sena leaders, deputy leaders, secretaries, MPs, MLAs, Sampark Pramukh and Zilla Pramukh and Vibhag Pramukh. Name of office bearers elected, Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Uddhav Thackeray, Manoj Joshi, Sudhir Joshi, etc. List of names of leaders and deputy leaders. Consistent with 29A9, Maharaj?
No,
That's all.
this information is not 29A9. Because 9 you will inform. 9 you are, in fact, 9 you are not required to inform unless you can put it. Any change.
This is the change, Maharaj.
Change in the, so this is only a change in the office bearer.
That's why this one. Therefore, it's within 9. What I'm saying is, Maharaj, whatever was required under the statute, we did. There is no issue of the constitution here. Nor is it a statutory requirement. Though we gave it, Maharaj, it's our case. What we do is, Maharaj, let me tell you also, the practice was, we used to send this letter, appended with that was the latest amendments of the Constitution. They used to take that away, Maharaj, because the constitution will not be put up in the site again. So they would put only these documents on the site. And the rest they would keep. Now it's very convenient to say, I don't have the constitution. So, Maharaj, we point this out. And then, Maharaj, we set out the National Executive meet on 23rd of January. That's at page, Maharaj, 23. And we say, Maharaj, these are the elected office bearers. Elected deputy leaders, Chief Sena deputy leaders, and these are the elected people. Again, the election commission says that all deputy leaders are nominated. Well, let's kindly see what is happening here. They don't even look at their own document, which we have supplied to them. In the finding of the election commission, he says these are all nominated. Then annexure 2. Now, this is very interesting verse. We point out who are appointed by us. That is the Paksh Pramukh. And your lordships will find item 4, Eknath Shinde. And then Shiv Sena Paksh Pramukh Uddhavji appointing the following members as deputy leaders. So, Maharaj, the deputy leaders were in all about 31 in number, 33 in number, 12 were nominated, 21 were elected. This we also mentioned, Maharaj. And according to us, under that as annexure 5, we put the. Now, this is letter of 27th of February. Now, Maharaj, the next document, and it's very interesting, Maharaj, the next document they completely deny. They say we haven't received this document. Page 26.
Page 20.
26, Maharaj. Now, Maharaj, your lordships will note here the date 4th of April and the stamp of the commission. This is in 2018. The previous document that I showed to your lordships, that is February 2018. On the left-hand side, you will see Maharaj in brackets written DEC CBR. Lordship, see that?
Yes, yes.
Now, the DEC CBR is Deputy Election Commissioner, Deputy Election Commissioner, and CBR stands for Coordination, By-Election and Rules. So it is directly given to the Deputy Election Commissioner. That's. And in 2018, I couldn't be forging a document. For what was I forging a document? And that's not even their case. Now, what they say is, if you look at what is their case, Maharaj, kindly go back to page 18. They say that in the other document, there is a receipt with a signature, and on the side, there are obviously of diary numbers and officers of at different levels. They say it doesn't exist here. If you compare it with 18. And probably because it's handed over directly to the Deputy Election Commissioner. But be that as it may, Maharaj, according to us, when on the 4th of April, we again pointed this out. But the more important thing, Maharaj, is the document.
Only thing is the number of leaders have changed.
Yes.
In February, the number of leaders, Shiva Sena
This-
Pramukh appoints
It's the same, Maharaj.
4. Whereas in page 27, it is
It's the elected ones, Maharaj.
6, 7, 8, and
That's
9.
27 are the elected ones. The others are the nominated ones.
Appointed.
Yes, appointed ones. Name of office bearers elected. Your lordship sees that on top? Name of office bearers elected. And there are 9 leaders there.
Elected office.
Yes.
So these are nominated office.
No, these are elected. It says elected.
I'm saying 27 February, you are.
27th February is elected, Madad.
Same names. Page 24,
Page 27, Madad.
page 24.
24, okay, I just come.
Page 24 are nominated.
Those are nominated.
Page 24.
Of course, they are nominated. It says so, Madad.
In the 27th February letter,
Yes,
you don't inform the elected members' name.
we do, we do.
That's at page 23.
That's at page 23, Madad.
22.
And 22. We inform both, Madad. Nobody's case that we didn't inform.
22.
This debtor is accepted, Madad.
22 पे column.
Kindly see page 22, column 4.
So this is the-
That is the name of office bearers elected.
Yes,
What
Yes,
is
sir.
that?
deputy leaders.
No, no, no.
Page
22, Madad. Page 22,
Yes.
column 4.
column 4. Under the Paksh Pramukh, Madad, they've
So what is the difference between page number 23 and 24 names? Some are mentioned as deputy leaders. And in 24, you say that
I mean, these are-
4 are leaders and rest are not deputy.
23 is elected.
Same day, there are 2.
Yes, 23 is elected. The others are Madad appointed.
Sir, comment some of.
No, 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 no. It's either, Madad, National Executive meet of 23rd January, Shiv Sena deputy leaders elected.
Now wait for
It's all there, Madad.
Same information.
Kritikar, Aditya Thackeray to Kritikar. Yes, Kritikar, a 9 at page 22 and 27. Okay.
So we inform in terms of 29A9, we inform them as to what changes have taken place. We're not required to inform anything else. It's our case, we also gave the constitution under which it was amended.
There is a reference to the constitution.
There is also,
4th April letter.
correct, but they don't
which
accept.
Claim that it has, their claim is that this document is created later on, it was never communicated.
Manas, he said they won't take it on record. Manas, how could it be created in 2018? What benefit would I going to get?
No, it was created later on this.
If it's later on, then I should be prosecuted.
No, that.
There is a stamp. Manas, there's a stamp of the Election Commission. Anyway, let's not get into that. Manas. We need not go.
The more fundamental argument is 28(9) does not require you to communicate an amendment to the constitution.
That's right. Manas.
It requires you to communicate particulars which have changed in relation to the items in subsection 4 of 20.
Correct. And Manas, that is because
And that does not include an amendment to the constitution.
that's correct. Manas. And had they asked me, and
You would have got.
I would have definitely forwarded. So, Manas, I just wanted to say that what we did was consistent with the statute itself. Now, let us come back to order of the Election Commission, where I stopped yesterday,
496.
page 496 of the convenience compilation. And he says, para 83, the commission by letter dated 2018 sought information from all recognized political parties. That's why that said that we have received your letter and therefore we are forwarding this. To confirm the outcome of inter-party elections by 28 to 2018, by letter dated 27 to Anil Desai informed the commission of the names of office bearers of Shiv Sena after the completion of the organizational elections, obfuscating the fact of changes made in the party constitution. So this is his own mother's spin on it, under which the organizational elections and the appointment of office bearers was made. The information of change in the party constitution was not linked to such changes in the office bearers. It is clear that the constitution being cited to by both groups as amended in 2018 was not categorically taken on record. What does that mean, Manas? That it was not categorically taken on record. The petitioner also, although silent from 2018 till the present proceedings, disputes the amendment, though being in his specific knowledge, now and argues against its arbitrary design and its non-democratic character. The respondent, that's of course Shinde's group, the respondent cites the same document, thereby attempting to displace the agreed constitution of 1999 surreptitiously, being without a confirmation or scrutiny of the amendment process itself having been followed diligently. But what's the relevance of this? Para 15, Malas, says that there should be a split in the party. What's the relevance of all this inquiry? And he ultimately comes to the conclusion, the split in the legislature amounts to split in the party. But what is, that's not even para 15. So the entire substratum of the judgment is completely contrary to the exercise under paragraph 15. As well as the Chief Justice Chandrachud then in the Constitution bench said, para 15 doesn't even talk about the legislative party. It's not even concerned with it. It's concerned with it in the context of who enjoys the majority, provided there is a split. Then that question will arise. In the next manifestation of the test of party constitution is the issue of the design of the constitution. Rashtriya Karkarni by election, which is the highest national executive, which consists of 13 people, as a matter of fact, at that point in time, of which 9 are elected and 4 were appointed. And then the deputy leaders, 31, 3 in number, 33 in number, 21 elected, 12 appointed. So, the highest policy-making body of Shiv Sena is entirely democratic.
And the appointed leaders and deputy leaders have to get elected in the next election.
I'll come to that later. It's part of the constitution. I'll come to that later. Now, who are the ones who are scheduled by appointment? Scheduled B by appointment. Shiv Sena leader. So, Eknath Shinde was appointed as Shiv Sena leader under this constitution. Deputy leader means the deputy leaders are elected also and appointed also. Then then the secretary, the 2 secretaries. Why should secretaries of the organization be elected? Is a treasurer of a party elected? No. Zila Sampark Pramukh. Why should he be elected? Zila Pramukh. Up Zila Pramukh.
They are all nominated.
They're all nominated. Reason being simple, these are people who exercise powers for implementation of the policy decisions taken by the elected body. So that means every DCC president who has nominated people in the DCC, that is the election, must be elected.
But this expression Shiv Sena leader appears to be a little vague. Shiv Sena leader means leader in legislative assembly or in party? Or
No, party. That will show later. It's part of it. You will find.
वरिष्ठ वकील कपिल सिब्बल की इन कानूनी दलीलों ने इस पूरे मामले को एक बेहद संवेदनशील और बड़े मोड़ पर लाकर खड़ा कर दिया है। चुनाव आयोग की प्रक्रियाओं से लेकर लोकतंत्र की मर्यादा तक उठाए गए ये सवाल हमारे देश की पूरी लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था के लिए बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है। अब देश की निगाहें माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंतिम फैसले पर टिकी है। माननीय अदालत का जो भी निर्णय आएगा वह न सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति बल्कि देश के दल बदल कानून के भविष्य की नई इबारत लिखेगा। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस ऐतिहासिक फैसले का हम सबको इंतजार रहेगा। जय हिंद दोस्तों।